In this video, I'll show you how to sell crypto on Kraken. So to do this, first just go and open up the Kraken app or website, whichever one you want to use, and from there click on your portfolio. Now here, find the cryptocurrency you want to sell. For example, if I want to sell some Bitcoin, I'll just go and click on Bitcoin, and then here what you want to do is click Trade, and then Sell. Now from there you can choose how much you want to sell, either in euros or dollars or pounds, whichever currency you use, or in the cryptocurrency by switching it over at the right where it says Bitcoin. Now I can choose how much Bitcoin I want to sell, or you can also click on a percentage, 25%, or for example 50%, 75% of all of it, which is max. Now let's say I want to sell 25% of my Bitcoin for €1, and I'll just click 25% and click continue. From there you have your overview. Now here just click confirm if it is what you want to do. And now here it will now be selling this crypto. And now I have sold my crypto on Kraken, which in this case is Bitcoin. So now if I go back to my portfolio and refresh it, I will have a bit less Bitcoin and more euro. So that's how to sell crypto on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.